Today, I'll show you how to set up Gusto Wallet as an employee. Whether you're just getting started with a new job or looking to streamline your payroll management, setting up your Gusto Wallet is a straightforward process that can help you keep track of your earnings, benefits, and more. Let's dive right in and get you started on the right path. First things first, you'll want to navigate to gusto.com. Make sure you open your preferred web browser and type in the web address carefully to avoid any typos. Once the page loads, you should see the Gusto homepage. If you haven't already bookmarked this page, it's a good idea to do so for quicker access in the future. On the homepage, you'll find a sign-in option. This is where you'll need to enter your employee credentials. So, go ahead and type in your employee email address. Be sure to double-check that you've entered it correctly to prevent any login issues. After entering your email, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that caps lock is off unless your password is case-sensitive. Once you've entered both your email and password, you're ready to move on. Look for the Sign In button and click it. If everything is entered correctly, you should be taken directly to your Gusto dashboard. If you encounter any issues signing in, double-check your credentials and ensure there are no unnecessary spaces in your email or password. Upon successful login, your Gusto dashboard will be your central hub for managing your payroll, viewing pay stubs, and accessing other employee benefits. From here, you can explore the different features Gusto offers, such as setting up direct deposit, reviewing your pay history, or managing your benefits. One tip to keep in mind is to regularly update your password. This helps keep your account secure. Gusto may prompt you for updates periodically, but it's always good practice to update your passwords every few months on your own. If you're having trouble accessing certain features or have any questions about setting up additional aspects of your account, Gusto offers a comprehensive help section. You can find guides and answers to common questions directly on their website or reach out to their customer support for more personalized assistance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up your Gusto wallet as an employee. Remember, having your payroll information at your fingertips not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you're always informed about your earnings and benefits. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a comment or share this video with fellow employees who might benefit from setting up their Gusto wallet. Have a great day and enjoy the convenience of managing your payroll with ease.